Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update product prices in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will be needing just to go to your products page. So from the products list or products page, you will be able to start updating or editing all your products. So basically those are some stock, etc. And simply you need just to choose any product, for example, this one. And after that, we can start updating its price. And price, you will find it generally in general. And basically, because this is a variable product, you will find some variation in the variation place. So from variation, you will find the regular price for this variation. For normal products, for example, the standard or the default ones. So let's, for example, go to this one and see if it is also variable. So let's suppose we have just a simple product and we want to be having variation, and simply you can just go to general, and from there you will find the regular price, and you can find also a sale price if you have some sales or promotions, and you can also schedule the sale if you would like. And simply you can do that for all the products, and at the end you will need just to click on update, and basically you will be able to update your product. So you can also have the ability to uh, edit multiple products at once. So for example, a bulk edit, and I will just click on edit. I'm going to click on apply, and from there you can start changing the prices. Either you can change to similar, or you can increase by an amount, for example, 2% or whatever. So simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.